Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: company ID, your username, and the temporary PIN or SSO method. Once done, make sure your phone has Wi-Fi or mobile data and that Kronos can access location and send notifications. This prevents clocking errors. Now open Kronos Mobile and choose the only way sign-in path, then enter the company ID. After that, input your username and follow the prompt to exchange the temp PIN for a secure code so you can proceed. You will complete authentication via the OTP or SSO push. Approve the notification and enter the one-time code when prompted. Once authenticated, set a secure PIN for faster access without sacrificing security and confirm biometric options if enabled. Then navigate directly to the time card or clock in screen and choose the correct job, cost center, or shift before tapping clock in. Also double-check the location stamp and notes field to ensure your punch records accurately reflect where and why you're starting work. When your shift ends, go to clock out, select the appropriate job or shift, and tap to record the punch. Then immediately review total hours and pay status on the summary. If you need adjustments, use the Edit Punch option within the allowed window and add clear notes explaining exceptions so payroll can approve changes. If the app fails, force close and reopen, retry on Wi-Fi, or reboot your device. If problems persist, capture a screenshot and contact HR or your supervisor with details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.